Hey guys, it's Mohammed here. I hope everybody is fine, everybody is good. So today I'm going to excuse me. Today I'm going to unbox two things today. So I hope you like my last video, and I see so many likes over there. So my last video was about the induction cooktop, which was the Sultan company. So I bought the induction cooktop, so I review it and I unbox it. So today I'm going to, it's related to that thing. It's but it's little bit different company, different pricing and different quality. So today I'm going to review first thing is, which is IKEA induction cooktop, and the second thing is Toastmaster burner. So I'm going to unbox these both things today, and then I will review it, and you will I hope you will like it, and I hope these things will work very nicely, and then at the end we will make a comparison. Okay, so now we go for the unboxing. Here you go. Here you go guys. So I unboxed this one. It's a Toastmaster burner. I unboxed this one, and this one is IKEA. It's a very difficult name. It's Tilreda, IKEA Tilreda induction cooktop. So I unboxed both things. So you can see that this one is in a smaller size, and it have the rings up here, and it was just one knob for the low, medium and high. That's it. And it's also a 1500 watts. This one is 1800 watts. But this one you can see that it looks very nice, very beautiful, neat and clean, and it's it's very safe to, when it's on, even you touch it somewhere, it's not gonna hurt you. And all the buttons, it's a touch sensitive buttons. It's not the physical button, it's a touch sensitive, so you can increase the speed, timer and everything. I will turn it on and I will show you how this temperature and speed, the low, medium, high degrees works. And this one, I show you this one, it's not really safe for the from the kids. Even if when you turn it on, you have to be aware of from that, nobody come around this and touch it anywhere, because when it turn on, these all things becomes very hot. And I show you the bottom. There's nothing special at the bottom, and there's no fan or nothing. Just you can see that there's some holes inside here to just go through the air. And I show you the other one. This one, it's very good. It's very thick too. It's all the details. It's very nice finishing, very nice, the material. It's a plastic from the bottom. It's a fan over here, and there's also other holes too, goes through the fan. So this thing, all details also written from the back and everything. It's very good. I like this one, but I will turn it on. Which one will give me more efficiency? Obviously I will use that one, right? So now I will go to turn it on, these both cooktops, and I will show you the comparison of the heat. And obviously I need the fry pan, or I need the pan for this, because this thing not gonna work without pan, and it must be a magnetic pan. It's only magnetic pans will work with the induction things. I told you in my last video too, so I will show you how it's gonna work. And this one, any cookware is gonna work on this. Any kind of fry pan or pan, anything is gonna work on this. So I'm going to turn it on and I'll show you. Just stay with me. Now I will turn it on first, this burner. And this one, I'm gonna tell you first. This one I bought it from the Walmart. It's a very cheap, only $25. I bought it from Walmart. It cost me only $25. 1500 watts, and I hope it's gonna work very well. And this one I bought it from the IKEA. I will put down the description. This one is also very cheap, just $45 on IKEA, so you can see online over there too, you know. So first I will turn on this one because I have only single point here. First I will turn on this one, and I will show you how quickly it's gonna warm the water. So ready? So let's go. First I put this fry pan. First I turn it on. Light is on. It's on the low level. So we'll see. So we'll do it on a high. It's medium. You will see it's a brand new, so when you will buy a brand new, obviously you will feel some smoke inside here because the some, you know, liquidy things burn when we turn it on. So don't worry about that. Okay guys, so it's really, it's giving me, I'm going to do it on a low. So I'll put the water on top of that. We'll see how quickly it's gonna boil the water. So let's see. So here you go, it start to boil the water, and it took only 3 minutes from start to boil the water. So I think it's only $25. It's not bad. It took only 3 minutes from start to now it's in the boiling water. So now we'll turn it off. So I hope this thing's gonna work for the lot of people, and even you can cook it on that thing. You can see that it's very too much heat. So I'll turn it off. Here you go. So you can see that it's boiling the water very nicely, and this thing is gonna work for everybody. It's a really small size, impact size. You can carry with you anywhere, but remember that it's a 1500 watts. You need some powerful cord or powerful switch for this. So now I will go to the induction cooktop. So let's go. So as I told you, it's a very heavy 1500 watts. So I'm gonna add one more thing here. This thing I'm going to check at the bottom, you know, how hot from the bottom side. We'll see. It's not really hot from that side, so I will move it from here and we'll see the bottom. It's hot here. It's not too much because I just turn it on for the few minutes, just 5 minutes, like for 5 minutes. So but it's still, that thing is little bit hot. I think if you cook something and it's gonna it keep it on for the long time, for the more minutes, so I think the bottom will gonna hot. So always remember that this thing always put or on somewhere, you know, the safe place, you know, where thing is not gonna burn from the bottom. So always remember that. So now I go to the induction thing. So now I will turn on that induction cooktop. So I'll show you how this thing work. So if there's nothing on the top, so you just turn it on, and you will see just, you know, anything is showing up, just lights turn on. So if you press that fryer or cooking button, it turn it on at the 1000 watts, right? 1000 mean it's 1000 watts. So but it's right way it start to give that error, which is E1. If within a few seconds we did not put anything on top of that, so this thing will turn it off itself, just like that. You know, it turn it off itself within a few seconds because we did not put anything on top of that. And the fan turn on from the bottom. I think you can hear that. If not, it's a very low noise, you know, it's a very comfortable, that thing. Yeah, and the fan is turned it on. I can even feel the air from the bottom. So now what I will do, I will take my fry pan, and then I will turn it on, and then we'll do that. Here's the water. Now I'll turn it on. Heat button. It starts at, I think you can hear that magnetic kind of sound, and you can feel that in the water too. It's a kind of vibration, because this fan is the magnetic pan. So when the coils in that cooktop, it's attached with that magnetic fry pan, it start to build the heat. It's a kind of call that I don't know, I'm not really good in the physics, so but it's the magnetic kind of heat creates. So now you can see that it's 1000 watts here, right? You can change it to the 60 watts, minimum 60 watts, and then you can go up to the maximum 1800 watts. This is 1400, 1600, and here you go. It's 1800 watts. This is the maximum heat capacity of that cooktop. You can see that and on the high level of that, this thing start to vibrate more, because there's a very less water. It's a lightweight fry pan, so it start to vibrate. But you can see that it start to boil within a few seconds. Within a few seconds, you can see the bubbles start to come up. So I will decrease it, that thing 1600 to 1400. So this thing is really good. So now the next thing we'll see, I will remove that thing and we'll see how affects at the bottom. I move it, and it's really not hot, just a little bit warmer, but it's not really hot. This is really, fan was working very nicely. You can see that it's a very big fan, so it's working really nicely. It's really safe, and looks nice, glass thing looks nice, very efficient. There's a different watts, so many different watts, and so that's all for this thing now. So here you go, guys. That's we did two cooktops unboxing and review, and we tested. Both thing is working very nice. It depend on you which thing is more suitable for you, because of course you need for this thing only induction cookwares. You need, if you don't have that induction things, you need to buy the new one. But this one will work any cookware, any fry pan, anything. This one you need the magnetic one. So both things, you see that both things how's the working. So it's on you. I will put the description in I will put the links in the description, you can see over there. And I hope you like my video, and subscribe, like and share, and wait for my next video.